and kind of show you guys what's going on down here. If you guys can tell, I'll try to do the best I can. But this here gonna get cut off with a trap or a clean out right there. That went to the old shower. And over here, I don't know if you guys will be able to see much of this. If we turn around here. So these here was the water lines to the old shower, and I brought them over. And right there, going up to the floor, that's the 2 new water lines to the shower, new shower. Then that's to the toilet. It's not hooked up yet. That's where it's going. And right here, you can see that's where the toilet is now. So we'll get that moved over. And that went up to the old whirlpool tub. If you can see that, not too close. So I'm gonna just cut that, and I'll put a clean out on that in case you ever need it. And I think I'm gonna leave this, cut it off, the old toilet. Once I get it cut off, and we'll just put a clean out on it. I think it'll be fine. And I came over here. I don't know if you can see the main line or not. I ain't got much room right here, right there. But I've already cut that. I cut that to put the new drain in for the shower, which comes over and up and around. Remember, I'm no professional plumber either. So right there where I've got this, I'll pull this back apart, and I will put a Y in for the new toilet, which goes over there. So hope you guys can see some of this, what it looks like. Kind of tight down here, but so what I did, I cut that back here so I can move that easier, just in case. I don't know if you guys can see. So yeah, so right there, I cut that pipe so I can move this to get that locked together. you can see this T right there, that went to the old shower. This one here, right there, is going to the vanity upstairs now. We're leaving it. And this is the old T, or a Y, sorry, to the shower. And I just cut it off here and put a clean out there. Well, come down here, and you guys probably can't see, and there's not much fall right there at all. But and I didn't think it would ever leak. But there's a few drops here on a plastic that this cap I put on. I didn't put no sealer on that cap or tape. I just screwed it in, and it was actually leaking out of that. So I'm gonna put a little pipe dope on that and fix that. I just didn't think it would ever leak with no more water that was coming down that, but it did. So no big deal. I just put a little pipe dope on it, and that should fix the problem. But today I'm gonna try to clean up some of these old water lines, get them capped while I got the water shut off, get the new one over to where the new toilet's going, and maybe even get the toilet drain in, and I'll be done in this crawl space plumbing today. So all right, I'm gonna get started. I brought a little Tomcat down with me today. But when I come down here, start packing tools in, I'll show you here. I might have already smashed it. Oh, right there's one. But this piece of insulation, I actually pulled it out to look at it. But this is a piece I've had out too. But look, I already got a little mouse hole down here, and a couple of these. Guys, see that one? So I'm gonna put a little Tomcat down here. All right, get started here. Cut that with that drain a little bit. They come and seen us. Bentley. Hey, he's camera shy again. So, I had this in the garage. It's a new one. It's a shut off. So I've decided to, if you guys can see this, I'm gonna put a shut off valve right there. And it's just going to the toilet, and might not ever use it, but might need it. So and that let me turn the water back on. Then I don't have to shut the water back off. I can just come down and flip this thing on and be done. So that's my plan. And I got that little piece there made up. But I just put shut off there. And that way I can get the water turned back on later. So, I think it'll be alright. I like it. I can always shut it off if I need it. So, and we're cleaned up here too. I was going to glue them, but I'll put a cap on that. I went to the old shower. There's a cap right there that got put on. That went to the old shower. That right down with me, but the water line to the toilet is going right through there. It's all done, hooked up. And that's what I ended up with there. Wasn't 100% what I was planning on doing, but worked out that way. Don't look bad. So, and I got the other line. It's all cleaned up and got the caps. Got the caps on there and right over there. So I'm gonna give it a little bit more time and turn the water on. And see, the thing I got left to do is insulate that cavity where I tore that water line out of the old toilet. And there's a pipe. Put silicone around that sucker. So I'm gonna pull that pipe out and insulate, and I gotta remember what I did now. I had a plan a while back. I don't know if I remember any of that plan. I don't think that piece was part of the plan. Yeah, I should have did this all the day I was down here, but I don't know why I didn't. Because I do not remember what I did. So I was planning on something like that mess, which I might have been. Maybe that's what I was planning on doing. That looks better. So that don't look bad. I think that's what I was planning on doing. Inch and a half down. Well, fast as I am at plumbing, my battery might go dead before I get done. Both sucking just the other day. Three-quarters maybe. Okay, guys, there it is. It's in. That's in. That's in. Down. So And I don't know, I might have to cut it back apart. I wish I'd put a coupler right there so I didn't have to fight that piece, but I might have to take it off. Hope not, but I only got that piece in like 3/4 of an inch. I don't know what happened, but I think I'm gonna try it and see. So, and hope it works, but not. If not, I will cut it, pull that back apart, get another 22 and put a coupler right there. So yeah, let's see what happens.